Simply pour hot water over toilet paper, and you'll be shocked by what happens next. This is the real secret 5-star hotels in Hollywood keep under lock and key. Once I learned this trick, I never had this problem again at home. It's simple, quick, and the result will surprise you so much that you'll wonder why no one ever told you before. Let's start. Take a regular roll of toilet paper and place it on a flat surface. Be careful with this next step. The water must be very hot, almost boiling. Slowly pour the hot water evenly over the roll, soaking it completely until it becomes soft and pliable. Make sure every layer absorbs the water. That's the key. Once it's soaked, carefully remove the cardboard tube from the center. Don't rush this part. The paper needs to stay intact. When it's cool enough to touch, gently press the roll with your hands to remove excess water. We don't want it dripping wet, just damp and soft. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now, tear the paper into smaller pieces. The texture should feel delicate and fluffy, yet moist. That's how you know it's perfect. It may sound strange so far, but stay with me. The best part is coming. Once you try it, you'll never waste money on expensive, chemical-filled air fresheners again. Next, grab a plastic jar or container with a lid. This will be our base. Start by placing a layer of the softened paper at the bottom, just enough to cover it. Smooth it out a bit with your fingers. Now comes something that will elevate this trick even more. Add 1 full capful of your favorite fabric softener. Choose a scent you love, because this aroma will stay in your home for days. Pour it gently over the paper, spreading it evenly. The smell alone at this stage is already amazing. Now sprinkle a small handful of coarse salt on top. The salt plays an important role here. It not only enhances the fragrance, but also helps preserve the freshness for much longer. It acts like a natural stabilizer, absorbing excess moisture and locking in the scent. Make sure to spread the salt evenly across the surface so it covers the paper completely. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Once that's done, grab a piece of aluminum foil and use it to cover the jar. You can reuse foil from your kitchen. There's no need for a new one. Press the edges tightly so it's sealed. Then with a toothpick or skewer, poke several small holes on top of the foil. These little openings will control how the fragrance is released, slowly, steadily, and for weeks at a time. And now, our secret is complete. But what exactly is it for? You're about to find out. What we've just created is one of the most powerful and inexpensive natural air fresheners you can make at home. Yes, this simple combination of toilet paper, fabric softener, salt, and aluminum foil can completely transform the smell of your home. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. That's it for today. Simple, affordable, and effective. Try it and thank me later. See you in the next video.